In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use pods. So I'm going to create a new layout by clicking here. You can change the name, but I'm going to leave it as it is, and click OK. So as you can see, you've got a blank screen. So to add a new pod, click on the pods option, hover over share, and click on add new share. I'm then going to reduce the size, and to share your screen, click here. Select what you want to share and click on share. As you can see, you've got your toolbar here, and to stop sharing, click on this button here and click on stop sharing. You can also share your documents by clicking here and then clicking on browse my computer and then selecting the file you want to upload and click on open. You can also share a whiteboard by clicking here, and to start writing, click on the marker, and then you can use this here. If you want to stop sharing, click stop sharing, and then I'm going to hide this by clicking here. To add another pod, click on the pods option again, and here I'm going to add notes. Again, I'm going to reduce the size. So here you can start typing. You can change the size of the font, make it bold, italic or underlined, and you can change the font colour, and you can also make bullets. So again, I want to hide this pod, so I'm going to click here and click on hide, and to add another pod, click on the pod option, and I'm going to add an attendees pod. So you can move the pods wherever you want to, so I'm going to move it over here, and I'm also going to make it a little smaller. So as you can see, you've got your presenters and participants here. You can make yourself a presenter or participant. You can do it by hovering over your name and then selecting these options, or you can click and drag. So to add another pod, again click on the pods option, click on chat, and then click on add new chat. Again, you can make this smaller. So all the attendees can type here, and for options, click on this button here. You can clear the chat and you can email chat history. You can change the text size, and your chat colour, and I'm going to hide this. To add another pod, click on the pods option. You can add a new file share. Again, I'm going to reduce the size, and you can upload a file by clicking here. Click on browse my computer and then add a file. The file will take a few seconds to load up. So I'm going to reduce the size again and place it under the attendees pod. To add another pod, click on pods, and this time I'm going to be adding a poll. Again, I'm going to reduce the size, and you can select whether you want it to be multiple choice, multiple answers, or short answer. So this can be used as a form of feedback. So here I'm going to type in and then you can type in your answers here. And then click open. And once everyone has answered the poll, you can end the poll, or you can go back to edit and change any of the question or the answers. So I'm going to hide this again. And now I'm going to add a Q&A pod. And as you can see, you can go to presenter view or participant view. Again, I'm going to hide this. To manage all of your pods, click on the pods option and then click on manage pods. And here you can see a list of all of the pods that you've had. So you can select them and delete them. And you can also rename them. And once you are finished with this, just click on done.